Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have L and T, that means K is about the constant. So we put dt go to the right, 34 minus L go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one, we will have negative ln of the absolute value of 34 minus capital L. This one, we have kt plus c. Now, we have the condition in here. That means when t equal to number 0, L equal to number 2. So we put L number 2 in here, T number 0 in here to find about the constant. So we have C equal to negative ln of 32. So we put this one, go back in here. And this is the answer for question A. Now let's go to question B. We assume that we have this one in here. Now we put about t equal to number 4 and L equal to number 10 to find about the value of k. This one you got about 24. So we put this one go to the left. Next, we divide both sides by number 4. And this one approximate about 0.07192. And this is the value of k we need to find in here. So up we have about k. Now they want to find about L. So we go back to this equation in here. But now we put the value of k in here. That's it from the value we just calculate in here. So we have t equal to number 10. We put number 10 in here. Number 10 multiplied by this one, you got about 0.7192 minus ln 32. Next, we put the negative for the right. We have ln 32 minus 0.7192. So we put e for the both sides. This one we have the absolute value of 34 minus L. So this one we will have two solutions. So we would negative L go to the right, and this one go to the left. So we have L is about 4.2206. This one in here we have 63.7794, and this is the value we need to find in here. The last one, that is to find about the limit when t go to positive infinity. So I will go back to first one in here. So we put negative go to the right. We put e for the both side. This one we have the absolute value of 34 minus L. Now we can solve the absolute value, and we have two solutions in here. So we put negative L go to the right, this one will go to the left. Now we put the limit. So when t go to positive infinity, so we have t in here, but we have the negative side, and the value of k we just calculate in here is about the positive. So when t go to positive infinity, with the negative in here, they will go to negative infinity, plus this one they still go negative infinity. This one similar. When e with the power go to negative infinity, this one they will go to 0, this one they will go to 0, because when we have the negative power, we will have like this. Because with the negative power, we can put into denominator. This one they will go to positive infinity. 1 divided to positive infinity, you got about 0. So that means we just have only 34 and 34. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.